Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use template feature in CapCut. So if you guys are on CapCut, you'll probably know there's a template, and if you guys are too lazy to create and edit from scratch, you can actually use this template feature so that it will make your editing easier. So here, if you open CapCut and go to templates, you can find so many good templates that you can use freely. And to use the template, you can just go to template and click on the template that you want. Okay, you can just browse over the templates that probably suit your needs the best at the moment. You can choose which one that you think suits your need the best. For example, I want to use this ones right here, and then you can just click on use template and choose a video to use it on the templates. Okay, I'm going to choose first. Okay, I'm done choosing the video, so just click on next after you choose the video, and then here after that your video will be created easily aligned with the templates. And if you're done, just click on export and your video will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.